Good morning. Myself, Dr. Manoj Kumar Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences, University of Delhi. Today, I am going to present Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana for Technical Institution, which is being launched by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. In introduction, AICT is implementing the PMKV for Technical Institute scheme through AICT approved institution throughout the country. Under this scheme, it is being decided to give the skills to the 10.5 lakh youth in the engineering sector. The aim of the scheme to encourage the institution for making best use of the available infrastructure of higher education for skilling the unemployed youths who have been dropped out from the schools and provide them certificate of that. The scheme is being launched by the Honorable Minister of State HRD, Government of India, Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey on 2nd October. It is the scheme which is going to be implemented by the council, inviting the application on online mode under the eligible institution of AICT approved institutions for offering training to the youth in engineering skill based on job roles as per the NOS, that is National Occupational Standards, prescribed by Ministry of Skill and Development Entrepreneurship under NSQF. So for this, AICT is conducting the awareness workshop throughout the country, and it has formed the state level steering committee which will identify and recommend the proper institution for the implementation of the scheme as per the local demand. The workshops have been conducted in all 8 regional offices in the central region, northern, northwest, eastern, southwest, western region, southern region and south central regions by their regional offices. The participation has been received and the council has received almost 1562 applications in the 494 specialization under 20 sectors from AICT approved institutions on AICT portal from the 34 states and union territories. The skill of this are, as the National Steering Committee has approved 1274 institutions to give skill 80,300 students in first phase. The program, curriculum and certification. The training under this scheme shall be any domain specific demand led skill training activity, preferably in core engineering sector leading to employment. Skill proficiency will be assessed by the respective state sector councils, or you can say sector skill councils of the states. In the case there is no sector skill, if there is no skill council for that sector for the specific trade, the assessment may be done by the allied sector council or industry partner. The engineering college polytechnics will offer credit based modular program as per the availability of the job roles, qualification packs prescribed by the respective sector skill council approved by the NSQF and NSQC. NSQC is the specs body to approve the NOS and QPs as per NSQF notification. Assessment will be done by the skill component of the course, which will be assessed by the respective sector skill councils as per the norms which are prepared by NSDA, NSQF approved independent third party agency approved by NSDA. The institution should adopt and integrate the guideline and recommendation of the NSDA for assessment and evaluation of the skill component wherever applicable. Certificate and awards. On successful completion of the training, the certificate will be awarded to the qualified candidates. Funding will be given by the Government of India through online DBT portal. Cost, which include the cost of trainees as per the prescribed level, the recruitment cost of the maintaining the facilities, cost of placement and post placement activities as prescribed norms. The basic cost which we are having is now as 3 categories: 40.5 for the category 1 and 2, category 1 schedule 2, 35 for category 2 schedule 3, 28.5 for per hour for category and schedule 2. Total number of hours as prescribed by sector skill councils, and these students will be in batch of 25 only. Training will be given per national occupational standards, so that will have the qualification packs for the particular job roles. So this is the site of the NSDC, where we have many of the job roles. One of such is the job role is mechanic in hydraulic, which is required qualification, and the level is given here. So that way, another is DTH set top box installer and service technician. Again, the 8th parts can go for that. Similarly, mason certificate will be provided to who will do this job role of mason concrete. Then there are so many criteria for getting the assessment. So I would like to say that this will change the country's requirement of the skills of the youth. Thank you all.